Hi boys and girls, for this activity you're going to be practicing the vocabulary words less than. You will need some pony beads and some dice and your recording sheet. I made a little example for you that we're going to do together. So let's pretend that I rolled the dice already and I got a 5 and a 3. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to use my pony beads to put on the little ovals, okay? So let's do, if I got my 5, we're going to do 5 pony beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5 pony beads on. How many pony beads will I need now? 1, 2, 3. That's right. You'll need 3 pony beads. Now let's compare which number is fewer than or less than. I'm going to use the matching strategy today. 1, 2, and 3. So you can see that the blue pony beads are more than the red ones. So that means the red is less than the blue. But I want to make it a little bit more precise. So I'm going to say exactly how many there are. So let's say there's 3 is less than 5. So to review, 3 is less than 5. So you can see that I put my 3 first because 3 is less than 5. If I did it the other way around, that wouldn't make any sense. It would say 5 is less than 3, and that's just silly because 3 is less than 5. Let's take a look at our next page real quick. Okay, on this page, you're going to be rolling the dice again. The first time you roll the dice, you're going to put that number right there. Then you're going to roll your other dice, and you're going to put that number right there. After you roll your dice, now's the time you're going to put your pony beads on. Remember, you're going to put your pony beads here. Right here is where you're going to put the number that's less than. And here, you'll put the number that's more than. If you get a little bit confused, you can ask an expert in your room to help you, or you can just rewind this video and watch it one more time to be sure where to put your numbers. If you're still stuck, remember to sign up on the help board or for a small group mini lesson. Good luck!